Welcome to Historic Aerials. Today I'm going to show you how to fill in missing sections of Topo Maps using the PDF Builder. It's common for Topo Maps to have quadrants of missing data. With Historic Aerials, you can align the edges of USGS Topo Maps from different years to fill in missing information and keep the subject property centered. Combining adjacent Topo Maps allows for efficient review of the subject property and surrounding areas. Plus, a legend is auto-generated to help you identify the years of the USGS maps that comprise your custom view. Let's walk through this process together. Starting inside my gallery of saved aerials, I'm going to click the PDF icon directly underneath the topo map I'd like to view. As soon as I enter the PDF Builder, a prompt appears indicating the map has missing sections. I'll press OK to dismiss this prompt, then I'm going to click on the black area in the lower right quadrant of my map. A list of alternate years that contain the missing information automatically populates the right-hand side of my screen. Since the year I'm currently viewing is 1983, I want to select the next closest year. I'm going to click on 1982, and the missing information seamlessly patches in to fill the void on my current topo map. If I have to patch several years together, I can just scroll down to the bottom of my screen to keep track of the different years in use. I'm ready for the final report, so I click on the print icon in the upper right corner of the screen. I still need to select which years and annotations I want to include in the final version of my map. Since I already patched 1982 and 1983 together in the previous screen, I only have to select 1983 and it'll give me the same picture of the topo map I just viewed. I can opt to include additional years, and hovering over the thumbnail will show me what the page will look like in the final version. For reference, let me just go ahead and select 1982 as well. Now I can print or download the PDF. When I click on Download PDF, I see that each of the years I chose to include in my report occupy their own page in a single file. However, my first page showing the year 1983 also includes information from the year 1982 in the bottom right quadrant. The second page only shows topo information from the year 1982. This will be the same if I choose to download the years as individual PNG files. Gone are the days of tedious cutting and pasting just to get a full picture of your subject property. With Historic Aerials, I'm able to create whole representations of topographic information with just a few clicks.